Welcome back to Bike Updater, your trusted source for everything two-wheeled. In today's episode, we take a deep dive into one of the most iconic motorcycles on Indian roads, the Royal Enfield Classic 350. Loved for its timeless design, thumping engine note, and road presence, the Classic 350 continues to rule hearts even in 2025. Let's explore what makes this machine such a legend and why it remains a top choice for riders across generations. Timeless design and styling. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is instantly recognizable thanks to its vintage-inspired aesthetics. From the round headlamp, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and pea-shooter exhaust to the minimalistic bodywork, every element is a tribute to classic British motorcycle design. The stealth black, chrome red, signals, and halcyon color variants offer diverse options for riders who value both tradition and individuality. Royal Enfield has managed to preserve the soul of the classic while giving it subtle modern updates. Engine and performance. Underneath the classic design lies a thoroughly modern engine. The 349 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine is part of Royal Enfield's new J platform, designed for better refinement, smoother gear shifts, and reduced vibrations. It produces around 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Newton-meters of torque, offering a laid-back riding experience that suits long highway journeys and calm city cruising alike. The 5-speed gearbox complements the torquey nature of the engine, making every ride feel effortless and enjoyable. Chassis and ride quality. Built on a twin downtube spine frame, the Classic 350 offers improved stability and cornering confidence over its predecessor. The suspension setup, telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, is tuned for comfort, especially on India's varied road surfaces. The Classic 350 glides over bumps and potholes with poise, making it ideal for both solo rides and long-distance touring. Brakes and safety. Safety is not overlooked either. The bike comes equipped with disc brakes at both ends, backed by dual-channel ABS as standard. This provides a reassuring braking experience, whether you're riding through city traffic or descending winding hill roads. The wider tires and better weight distribution also contribute to a more controlled and confident ride. Features and instrument console. While the Classic 350 stays true to its vintage roots, it does offer a semi-digital instrument cluster. The combination of an analog speedometer and a digital display adds a modern touch, showing essentials like trip meters, fuel gauge, and clock. Some variants also feature Royal Enfield's Tripper navigation pod, powered by Google Maps, which pairs with your smartphone for turn-by-turn directions, a perfect blend of old-school charm and new-age tech. Mileage and practicality. The Classic 350 offers a real-world mileage of around 35 to 40 kmpl, depending on riding conditions and style. With a 13-liter fuel tank, it gives a decent range for long-distance rides without frequent fuel stops. Its upright seating posture, well-cushioned seat, and wide handlebars make it a comfortable companion for both everyday commutes and weekend getaways. Verdict. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 isn't just a motorcycle, it's an emotion. It brings nostalgia, pride, and a sense of individuality to every ride. While newer bikes may offer more tech or performance on paper, few can match the Classic's character and legacy. It's not about how fast you go, it's about how the journey feels. And with the 2025 updates, the Classic 350 continues to evolve without losing its essence. Subscribe to Bike Updater. That's it for today's deep dive on the Royal Enfield Classic 350. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Updater for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and the latest updates from the world of motorcycles. Ride safe, ride classic. See you in the next one.